So welcome back guys, my name is Moin Akram and in this video we are going to make a simple dressing table or anything you call it's table, simple table. So first click on default cube and don't delete it. Press 1 and go to wireframe mode and go to edit mode and select the bottom side and check and grab it something like this around here. Okay, now press 7 and select this side and grab just a little bit around here, maybe here. Okay, now it's done. Now press 3 and set origin to geometry first and shift D and rotate on y axis or x axis about 90 degrees. Okay, select the upper side and grab it down and set origin to geometry and select. Okay, as you can see, now let's press G on Y axis and leave here, G on Z axis and leave here. Okay, now select and grab it down just a little bit, maybe here. Now shift D on X axis, on Y axis, rotate on X axis about 90 degrees and align something like this. Select shift D on Y axis and leave around here. Okay, let's make it longer. Okay, now the second thing is I think copy shift T on Z axis and leave here and shift T on Y axis and leave here. Okay, edit mode, grab and leave here. Okay, press 7. Okay, I think it looks nice. Okay, now go to edit mode, press Ctrl R, make two loop cuts and cancel and scale on X axis. Scale on X axis around here. Face select mode and extrude on Z axis. Extrude on Z axis. Okay, now select plane I think it's making it worse. Okay, now let's go to material tab, viewport shading, enable ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space reflection and also refraction. Go to material tab, select first one and change to image texture and open, and you can download the texture from description below, also the model file, this one, as you can see. Now Let's add environment texture also, the HDRIs images. This one, Photo Studio. Okay, now go to edit mode, select all the toggles and press U and Q projection. Okay, select all the toggles, press U and Q projection. Select this one also, select all the toggles, press U and Q projection for all of that. U and Q projection. U, Q projection, and the last one, U and Q projection. Okay, now select and alt left click around here and assign with new material 001. Select this one and alt left click and assign with material 01. Okay, alt left click on this corner. Okay, assign with material 001. Okay, assign with material 001. This one completed, and also this one. Select this one, assign with material 001. I think this one is remaining. Alt left click on the corner and assign with material 001. Okay, hmm, now it's looking nice. Okay, material 001, full metallic and red and the dark red. Roughness down. Okay, looking nice. Okay, now go to material and change material 002 and change this one also material 002 and click no on this one, click and change with material 002. Now let's add another texture, this one. Okay, as you can see it's looking nice. Now go to material and change the metallic look is 0.633, increase the roughness specular level and roughness value is 0.375. Okay, looking nice. For this one also 0.633 and 0.375 and increase the specular level. Okay, now everything looks good. Go to here, select one of them and go to modifier and bevel modifier and change the value is 0.011 and change the segments around 5. For this one also bevel 0.011 and 5, bevel 0.011 and 5, bevel 0.011 and 5, bevel 0.011 not and 5, bevel 0.011 and 5. Okay, now it's looking very nice to me. Now one more thing is go to shader editor by selecting material and click on here and press Ctrl T for mapping. Now go to 3D viewport, vector, scale about 2 on x and y axis. For these texture mapping, something like this, it's too bigger, so make 2 2. For the same one, this one also, shader editor, select and press Ctrl T in 2 and 2, 3D viewport, and it's done. Okay, now press 1. Let's hide the plane and shift A, add cube, and go to bevel and change to 5. I think wireframe mode, edit mode, and it down. Object, set origin to geometry, increase the amount of segments, and gave it a new material. Now press Ctrl numpad 7 and let's scale down and place on every corner, something like this. Also same here, something like this. Now select both of them and shift T on Y and leave here. On middle, shift D on Y and leave around here. Now select all the solids and bring them up around here. Okay, now let's unhide the solid, unhide the plane, and let's check out. Select one of them and increase metallic look, specular level down, the roughness value, and color also. Now select the plane, make it darker. Okay. So guys, as you can see, this simple table tutorial is completed. I think you learned something in this video. It's very basic tutorial for those who doesn't know about texture mapping and some simple tricks. Yes, it's working nicely. So I think guys, the video tutorial is completed. So see you soon in our next video, and the Dominator Platinum Corsair's Dominator Platinum RAM tutorial is coming soon. I'm working on it, so check it out, my previous videos, and goodbye guys.